In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Clickfunnels account. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you know exactly what to click and what to expect on each screen. You can follow along in your own account while you listen, or just watch first and then repeat the process afterward. First, log into your Clickfunnels account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that menu and click on Workspace Settings. This is where all the core settings for your account and workspace live. Inside Workspace Settings, find and select the Billing option from the sub-menu. When you click Billing, Clickfunnels will open your profile in the Customer Center in a new browser tab. Give it a second to load. This is where your current subscriptions and payment details are managed. In the Customer Center, make sure you're on the Subscriptions tab. Here you'll see a list of all the active plans associated with your account. Locate the specific plan you want to cancel under Subscriptions. If you have more than one, double-check you're choosing the correct one so you don't accidentally cancel the wrong plan. Once you've found the right plan, look to the right side of that plan for a small three-dot icon. Click on this three-dot icon to open a drop-down menu with more options related to that subscription. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Subscription. This will bring you to a page with details about your current plan, billing cycle, and other subscription options. On that page, look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription under your current plan. Click Cancel Subscription to start the official cancellation process. This is the first step, where the system recognizes you're trying to end your plan. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for your cancellation. You'll see options like training issues, cost, or other reasons. Choose the one that best matches your situation, then click Continue to move forward. You'll now see a page asking you to confirm that you want to cancel. Scroll to the bottom and click Cancel My Account. After this, you'll be taken to a final confirmation screen. On this last screen, you'll see a button labeled Cancel My Account and Delete All My Content. Click this to fully confirm. Finally, choose a cancellation reason again if prompted. Add any extra details you want to share and click Submit. Once you do that, your cancellation is complete.